After almost 24 hours of torrential rain, the swollen hillside above this Ecuadorian neighbourhood could take no more. Landslides merged with rainwater and raged through streets of the capital, Quito, taking with it cars, trees and people. Those swept up in the mud emerged dazed and disorientated. "Get up," neighbours shout down. His fate is unknown. Rescuers have so far found at least 24 people who didn't survive, caught unaware as waves of mud swept over their homes and a sports field. Families of those still missing watch on in hope.
Sí, estamos esperando aquí a ver cómo siguen saliendo los cadáveres ahí, a que nos dejen ver para reconocer a nuestro familiar.
The rainfall that caused the disaster was equivalent to 75 litres per square metre, the highest figure in nearly 20 years. As the mud recedes, rescuers and residents work together, searching for survivors and to clean up. The surrealness of the last day, hard to avoid.
Salimos de la puerta y vimos ahí como un río inmenso que cubría todo, arrasaba con todo, y entonces mi carro estaba acá, nadando en el segundo piso.
Only when day breaks can the true scale of the damage be observed in this poor neighbourhood. Before residents have time to mourn all that's been lost in this disaster, first they must clear up, hoping that the warnings of further landslides don't come to pass.